How to install One Light LNC Modern Outdoor Pendant. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Attach a quick link to connect to chain and a loop on the top of fixture. Attach the single bar to outlet box with mounting screws. Remove the threaded ring from collar loop, pass chain through collar ring and through canopy. Pass the wires through screw collar loop to the top of nipple and gently pull till snug. Twist plastic wire connector until wires are tightly joined. Wrap each connector with approved electrical tape. Be sure that no wire strands are exposed and tuck all wires into the outlet box. Raise canopy to ceiling and secure it by tightening threaded ring onto collar loop. Attach a quick link to the collar loop and connect the end of chain. Install the bulb. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.